Hi, I'm Abby J, and I grew up in a small town in North Georgia on the Squee River where farming was a way of life. My husband and I own and operate Black Hawk Fly Fishing. And today I am the creator of Abby J's Gourmet. It is a full line of tailgating products you can find in your local Ingles deli. And now, thanks to Ingles, today we'll be making my hot Italian skewers. For a full list of the ingredients, be sure to visit inglestable.com. You can print out a list and take it with you, or pull it up on your smartphone when you arrive at the store. Now let's get cooking. Just got back from Ingles and I just wanted to share with you my Italian sausage skewers. And you can do this with also chicken or anything, but the produce looks so wonderful today. So let's get started. What we want to do is we're going to take the peppers. Then I like hot Italian sausage, so this is what I got. And we're just going to alternate each color and each veggie. I've got grape tomatoes. You can find these at Ingles. And the more color, the more pop this gives this recipe. And these are Vidalia onions. They are in season as well. And there's also some jalapeno peppers in here. The dark ones are the jalapenos. And so you just want to keep alternating. Then we'll take these out and put them on the grill. But one last thing. We want to marinate these in my Abby J's Smokin Hot Sauce. This is Smokin Hot Sauce. It's full of flavor. It's infused with Vidalia Onion, so it's a sweet heat. So what I've done was I've put that about a cup of that and 2 tablespoons of garlic. We'll just stir this up. And we are going to just brush that on the skewer. We're just finishing up the game day skewers and we're getting ready to take them out on the grill. So it's going to be really delicious. So let's get them on the grill. We'll be right back. Just got these game day skewers right off the grill, and they are going to be delicious for your party. And they cook for about 20 minutes. You only had to turn them one time. And folks, we're all out of time. Just want to thank you so much for being here with us at the Ingles table. Remember, you can find my recipes along with great cooking tips right here at the Ingles table. Until next time, I'll see you online.